So B star, this is B star, B star followed by A followed by B star followed by A followed by B star. So the last will be the final state. This is the answer for the first question. Does anyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir, but I have a doubt in it.
Yeah.
The B star means epsilon will also be there, no? So first or
Hmm.
second state can also be final states. That doubt I had.
Hello. If B star is epsilon, this is epsilon, and this is A, this is epsilon, this is A, and this is epsilon, then what is
The
the
final
smallest
will be
string? What is the
AA.
smallest? AA. So
Yes,
AA
yes.
is the smallest string. Then how can you make this or this as final state? So
Yeah, yeah.
A, this will be the final state.
Okay, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir. Got it.
The automata must accept all the strings derived from the expression. It should not accept the invalid strings. Next, A plus B whole star A plus B whole star. This is followed by A followed by A plus B whole star. The last will be the final state. Okay. You understand? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Hello. Any doubt? Okay.
No, sir.
We'll go to next one. A plus B whole star. A plus B whole star. Can anybody say what kind of strings this expression will give? A plus B whole star. This is followed by AA. This is AA or BB. This is BB. Ending with A plus B whole star. So the last will be the final state. Here, from this state to this state, it is coming on AA. So in this state, if it scans the symbols AA, it comes to the final state. But AA, the machine cannot scan the two symbols at a time. Already I told you several times. The machine scans the string one by one, the symbols one by one. So this is roughly it is okay, but in practical this is not correct. Okay, so A. So what will we do here? The machine comes to this on first A, then from here it comes to this on second A. Similarly here also It cannot scan the BB at a time. It scans BB one by one. So for first B, it comes to this. For second B, it goes to the final state. Okay, you understand? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now this is okay NFA, because in the initial state, if A comes, we can stay here, or A comes, we can go to this one. Similarly, B comes, we are going to this, and B comes, we may remain here, which is NFA. If you want to construct a DFA for this, actually, what is the meaning of this expression? This expression gives all the strings having AA or BB as substring. This expression is the set of all strings having AA or BB as substring. So, substring, I told you several times, substring means we'll go to final state and we will be forever in the final state. We'll go to final state if AA comes or if BB comes. For A, and this is for second A. Okay, if A, two A's comes consecutively, we'll go to final state and we will be forever in the final state. Similarly, 2B comes consecutively, 2B's comes consecutively. We'll go to final state and we'll be forever in the final state. Suppose, tell me guys, is this valid or invalid? Hello, is this thing is valid or invalid? Are you there?
Invalid.
Guys? Huh? Valid, invalid?
Invalid.
Invalid, sir.
Invalid, because it is neither AA nor BB. Okay. So if A comes, we'll go to this, and here B comes. Okay. Now also invalid. Now valid, invalid. Tell me, this total thing is valid or invalid?
Now it is
Invalid.
Valid, because they are having
valid.
AA. So A, B, A, then A, it go to the final state. After reaching the final state, whatever comes, it will be in the final state because it is having AA substring. Okay. This is the DFA. Next, try this one. Okay. This considered as X, less this is Y. X is 1, 0. y is this one, double 1 plus 0 followed by 0 star followed by 1, and at the final state 0 comma 1. This is the rough diagram. Okay, but we cannot represent 1 0 like this. Okay, so 1 0, what I do, I will take one more state from year to year 1, and from year to year it is 0. Okay, na? No. Similarly, double 1 plus 0, this also we cannot do like this. So here we will take one state. This is double 1 plus 0, double 1 plus 0 followed by 0 star. This is 0 star and followed by 1. Okay, na? Double 1, see, double 1 plus 0 followed by 0 star followed by 1, and double 1 plus 0 we cannot write like this. Double 1 plus 0 we write like this, double 1 plus 0 followed by 0 star. This is 0 star, this one followed by 1. Again, double 1 is not a single input symbol, so we cannot write like this, double 1. So what we do, we'll take one more state. From year to year 1, and here this is 1. So this is double 1. From, look at this, guys. From this state to this, we can come like this, 1 1 or 0. I repeat, 1 1 or 0 followed by 0 star followed by 1. Or to the final state we can come to this way, this 1 0. You can come to the final state to like this way, 1 0, or this way, that is either this way 1 1 or 0, then followed by 0 star followed by 1. So this is the answer. Even you can make this better diagram. So look at this, guys. Here this is 1 1. This is 1 1, means from this state to this state it is 1 1. So now look at this, how I change 1 1. See, this is 1 followed by 1. See here, we want to come to this state, either 1 1 or 0. See, 1 1 or 0 means plus 0 followed by 0 star followed by 1, or 1 0. This is the best diagram. Copy. Try this. Epsilon plus AB. Did anyone complete epsilon plus AB? epsilon or AB. The strings represented by this expression is one is epsilon, the other one is AB. Single A don't accept. AB accept. So epsilon plus AB. Next, AB star. A, this is A, B star. So the last will be the final. Similarly, BA star. This is B and this is A star. So BA star. AB star or BA star. Do you understand? Next. Oh.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So in last question, we can represent in two states also, no? Like A comma B, and in last state B comma A, using two states. That will be minimal.
What is the meaning of this?
AB star plus B A star
Meaning what?
means we will reach to the final if A or B star comes or B and A
X plus
star
Y.
comes.
X plus Y.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of X plus Y? X and Y. Can I take XY?
No.
No. What is the meaning of A, B star? A followed by any number of B's. That is A single 0B or A followed by single B, A followed by 2 B's, A followed by 3 B's, A followed by like this. Or B followed by BA star, B followed by 0 A's or B followed by single A or B followed by 2 A's, B followed by 3 A's like this. So now this is not a valid string and this is even not a valid string. So single A followed by any number of B's or single B followed by any number of A's. Single A followed by any number of B's. This is for, and single B followed by any number of. This is for second one. This is for the first one. This is for second one. Now you are saying a different way, and that string, that automata, is it accepting all the strings at the same time? Is it not accepting the invalid strings? You have to check it. Mister, do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Did you find any mistake in your diagram?
So means it is also accepting invalid strings also. That's why.
It is not moving. Okay, try. This is done. Now this one. Have you copied? Did you all copy this? Hello guys, copied this one.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
go for A star B plus B star A. A star B. A star B. B star A. This is. What did you find the new thing here?
The two starting.
Two initial states. The day one I told you, an automata may have more than one initial states, but minimum one initial state must be there, and it can have more than one initial state also. Next, I want to do with one initial state only. This is for A star B. This is for B star A. They from year to year A star, but A star cannot be represented like this. So for this, what I do, I will take this as epsilon. This is A star. Similarly, epsilon part way. So from year to year, you can look at this epsilon followed by A star followed by B. That is A star B. Similarly, or epsilon B star followed by A. That is simply B star A. So A star B or B star A. Okay, or this is both are right. Okay, copied.
Yes.
Next. Try this one. A star This is A star. AB plus B. Guys, I think I did some mistake in this. Okay. Hello. The question, I'm changing the question little bit. Okay. Of course, we can construct this one. But my intention is different. I'm changing the question. This is the question. Okay, I have changed the question, and this also I will change. You please change this question. Okay, now A star followed by B A star followed by B followed by AB plus B x plus y whole star. You can represent like this, x comma y, or instead of that x plus y. I told you A plus B whole star. You can represent like this, or we can represent like this, A and this is B. I told you this one, A plus B whole star. You can represent either day. So AB plus B. This is AB and this is B. What is the meaning of AB plus B? Any number of AB, 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 or any number of B's, or sometime AB, sometime B, like this. Then ending with A. Ending with A. Okay. Now everything is okay, but AB is not a single input symbol. Okay. AB is not a single input symbol. For that reason, again I'm constructing. This is A star. This is B. And AB, this is AB. So AB cannot be scanned at a time. So for this reason, A, B. This is AB, AB, AB. You can see. This is AB, AB, AB. And B. Then ending with A. So this is the perfect one. Okay. Copy this. Even we can represent, we can simplify this further. Look at this. This is A star for baby. A star followed by B followed by AB plus B whole star, means it can be any number of AB, 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 again B, B, again AB, again B, like that. AB, B, suppose again A, B, A, B, A, B, again B, again A, B. So once the loop completed, the machine stops here. The machine stops in this state. Then it has to go to final state on A. On A, if string is ending with A, it will go to the final state. So what I do here, instead of taking one more final state, so once the loop completed, the machine stops here. So it should end with A. So on A, it go to this final state. You understand? So once the machine completed loop, it stops in this state and it should end with A. Next one. B star followed by A followed by AB plus BA. This is AB plus BA whole star ending with B. Now, AB we cannot represent like this. So, we must take one more state. This is A, B. And similarly, BA we cannot take like this. BA, one more state. So, B, A. B, A. Now this is the perfect. And even in this also you can represent further, simplify further. B star, then A, AB plus BA means AB, 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 BA, 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 again AB, again BA. So once the loop completed, the machine stops here. Then it should end with B. So when ends with B, from this the machine comes to this state instead of going to this state. Okay. So I delete this one. Copy this one. Digo.
Ma'am, Deepu, answer my virtual boss, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Do you understand, guys? Shall we go for next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, in this topic till now we have seen if a diagram is given, how to construct regular expression. And if a regular expression is given, how to construct diagram. Now, I will tell you how to write the expression directly. Means without taking the equations like this. We have taken the equation Q0 equal to Q1 equal to, after that we have applied the Arrhenius theorem and then we did it. Okay. In this simplification by mistake, if we do any wrong, so answer will be wrong. Okay. So without taking this, how to write directly. This is simple. I will tell you the same only. By looking at this diagram, you please tell me the expression. Here, the expression is 1. We must start from the initial state and reach the final state. Okay, from initial, while going to final state, whatever comes on the way, we must take them. Okay, so here at initial state, this is B star, means it can take any number of B's, maybe 0 or more B's. Okay, this one, B, this part. Okay, you can take any number of B's or 0 B's. Okay, from initial, if you want to go to final state, compulsory A has to come. Okay, so B star followed by A. Then once we reach the final state, it can have only A's or only B's or any combination of A and B. So B star A followed by A plus B whole star. At the final state, it is any combination of A and B. So many of you can write this because this is the easy diagram. Okay, na? Just copy this one.
Today computer lab.
Okay, now I'm changing this diagram. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll keep the diagram same. I'll consider one more. Okay, for this, how to write directly? Okay, guys, I'm going back to the previous question. You just observe this. At initial state, this is B. B star means you can take any number of B's, maybe 0 B's or 1 B or 2 B's or 100 B's, any number of B's. Then A, from initial we go to final on A. After reaching the final, it is any combination of A and B. Now, my question is, once we leave the initial state in this diagram, means on A we go to the final. After reaching to the final, can we come back to the previous state? Hello, please respond. In this diagram, as long as B comes, we will be here. On A, we'll go to the final state. Once we reach the final state, can we come back to the previous initial state?
No.
No. Okay, we cannot come back. So that is the reason I wrote here B star and then followed by A and then A plus B whole star. Okay. Now come to this one, this diagram. Okay, guys. Here it is B star, no doubt, because it can take any number of B's. Then A. Once we reach to this final state, can we come back again to the previous initial state? Is there the path to reach the initial state? Of course, we can come back because there is a path from final state to this initial state. Are you following? Even though we reach the final state, we can come back to the previous state. But here, once we reach the final state, we cannot go back to this initial because there is no path. But here we have the path, we can go back. Are you following? Okay, whenever there is a path to reach, to come back, whenever there is a path to come back, actually guys, this is B star. Actually, this is B star. This is B star. But what I say here is, once if you leave this initial state, yes, and if there is a path to come back, there is a chance to come back, then don't write the expression as B star followed by something. Means don't write this. Don't write the expression for this like B star followed by something. What I'm saying is, here see, in this we wrote B star followed by A followed by something. But here, even though this is B star, what I'm saying, don't write B as this B star, because if we leave, there is a chance to come back. Whenever there is a chance to come back, don't write this as B star. Do you understand what I'm saying here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then what shall we write? Okay, we don't write B star. Then what shall we write? We must write like this. Hello guys, look at this. This is at initial state, this is B. Actually, it should be B star, but we do. I already told you, don't write this as B star. So what shall I write? We shall write this as B plus something whole star. B plus something whole star. Okay. B plus something whole star. Okay. I repeat, this is B star, but don't write this as B star, because if you leave, you can come back. That is the reason I wrote B plus something whole star. Okay. In the starting, I told you our target is to start from initial, and we must reach the final state. Okay. So while going to the final state, whatever comes on the way, we must write all of them. Okay. This is B plus X whole star, means you can take this, again this, again this, again this, again this, then B. So simply here we can go back, we can go forward, this one, and we can come back. Again we go, and again we come back. Again we go, again we come. So this whole I have taken as X. And this is B, again this is X, again X, again X, again B, again X. So like this, you can run this B's, any number of B's and any number of X, again B's, again X. So that is the reason I wrote B plus X whole star. Finally, the machine stops here. And what is our target? Our target is to reach the final state. From initial, how can we reach the final? Only by A. So B plus X whole star, then A. Okay. After that, once we reach the final state, and after reaching the final state, it can have single B, or 0 B's, or single B, or 100 B's, or 1000 B's. So any number of B's can come in the final state. That is the reason ending B star. Do you understand? This is the answer for this diagram. Now, what is X here? What did I say? Here we go and come back. We go and come back. This is X. Okay. This is X. Just look at this. We are going this way. Just read this one. What is this? Guys, what is this? How you are going from initial to this final state? What is this?
A.
And this is what?
B.
Huh? Only B?
B star.
Very good.
B star.
B star means it can have 0 B's or more B's. Okay, I repeat. From initial, what is this? Can you see this cursor is moving? What is this?
A.
A.
And
B star.
and how can we come back?
A.
So this X is what? A, B star, A. That is X. So B plus A, B star, A whole star. You can run this B plus AB star A whole star loop any number of times, then followed by A, then it can end with any number of B's. So this is the answer for this finite automata. Do you understand? Guys, do you understand? See, I repeat this one. At the initial state, it is B star, but before writing this as B star, if you leave, you can come back, just identify. Once you leave, whether you can come back or not. If you can come back, don't write this as B star. You write it as B plus something whole star, B plus X whole star. After that, our target is to reach the final. How can we reach the final? On A. And once you reach the final state, you can have any number of B's. That is B star. So B plus X whole star followed by AB star. What is X here? This is X. This is X. So A, B star, A. So B plus AB star, A whole star followed by A followed by B star. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sure. So copy this one. Copied.
Great, sir.
Okay, I'll give you one more question. So try this. Anybody got the answer? Only or anything else is there? It's good. It's good. Look at this. Here, actually, this is A star, but before writing this as A star, just you identify. If you leave, yes, we can come back. So what did I say? Don't write it as A plus E. Don't write it as A star. We must write this as A plus something whole star, because we can come back. If you leave the initial state, we can come back. Okay, I repeat. This, if you go like this, we can come back. That is the reason this is not A star, it is A plus something whole star. What is our target? What is our target? To reach the final state. Where is the final state? Here, this is the final state. This is the final state. That is the reason A plus X whole star is the only answer. Now, what is X here? What is X here? Okay, this is X, this is X. So go, that is B, and this is A star, then again come back. So B, A star, B is the X. Therefore, A plus B, A star, B whole star. And we want to go to final. Yes, we are in the final only. So this is the answer. Earlier, this was the final state. Look at this one. See, B plus something whole star. Okay, and this is the final state. That is the reason A followed by B star. This part we wrote extra because this is the final state. And whereas this is the only final state, that is A plus X also is the only answer. Got it? ఇదంతా ఈ స్టూల్ తీసి నీట్గా ఇక్కడ దిగు. ముందు అక్కడికి కొల కనిపిస్తలేదు. Try this one.
Sir, A B star A plus B A star B whole star.
Excellent. Very good. Guys, here initially the final state. Okay. Look at this diagram. If we go like this, like this, are we coming back? Yes, A, you take any number of B's, then A, you take any number of B's, then A, we are coming back. At the same time, if you come down, B, any number of A's, B, any number of A's, again B. So, if you go like this, you are coming back. If you go like this, you are coming back. So, this is any number of X, top is X, and below I am taking as Y. So, what is the expression for this? What is the expression for this diagram? X plus Y whole star. Are you following? For this is X plus Y whole star. Means you can take any number of X or any number of Y's or any combination of X and Y. Similarly, I'm taking this as X and I'm taking this as Y. X plus Y whole star. What is X here? A, then B star, then A, then B star, then A. Similarly, B, A star, B, A star, B. So, the answer for this is A, B star, A, B star, A plus B, A star, B, A star, B whole star. It can run this any number of times. Means this one again, this one again, this one again, this one, like this. Do you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Try this one.
Sir, 0 plus 1 0.
Okay, and that is, if you leave, you can come back. So answer will be 0 plus something whole star. 0 plus something whole star. Because if you leave, you can come back to the initial state. And where do you want to go? We want to go to final state. And where is the final state? Initially is the final state. That is the reason this is 0. And if you leave, you can come back. That is the reason 0 plus something whole star, 0 plus x whole star. And we want to go to final. Yes, we are already in the final. So this is the only answer, 0 plus x whole star. Now what is x? 1, 0 star, 1, 0 star, 1, 0 star, 1. That's it. Okay. 0 plus 1, 0 star, 1, 0 star, 1, 0 star, 1 whole star. Do you understand, guys? This one? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Copy the answer. I'll give you one more question. Try this one. Hello.
Yes, sir.
बोलो.
1 plus 0, 1 star, 0, 1, 1, whole star, 0, and whole star.
No. Anyone else? Shreya?
So 1 plus 0, 1 star, 0, 1, 0 star, 1, 0, whole star.
No. Anyone else?
Sir, 1 plus 0, 1 star 0 into 0 plus 1, 1 whole star into 1, 0 whole star.
Excellent. What's your name?
Ankit.
Hmm?
Ankit.
Oh, good, good, very good. Guys, look at this. Here, this is before writing this as 1 star, you just observe. If you leave, yes, we can come back. So definitely this is not 1 star. This is 1 plus something whole star. Let 1 plus x whole star. Where do you want to go? Final state. Yes, we are in the final state. Therefore, answer will be 1 plus x whole star only. So answer will be 1 plus x whole star. Okay. What is x? This whole thing is x. Okay. Now look at this. 1 plus x whole star. So this is 0. This is 1 star. This is 0. I repeat. 0, 1 star, 0. Now, this is also 0 star, okay, but if you leave, yes, can you come back? Actually, our target is to reach like this, to reach to this initial state. But before reaching to this initial state, see, can you come back again? Again, can you come back? Again, can you come back? So I repeat from the starting: 0, 1 star, 0. And here, don't write this as 0 star, because if you leave, you can come back. So whenever there is a chance to come back, I told you, don't write it as 0 star. You write 0 plus something whole star. So this is 0 plus something. What is this something? You can see this one. What is this something? Hello, what is this something? Can you see this one? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is not 0 star, because if you leave, you can come back. How do you come back? Here, can you see this pointer?
Yes.
Is this visible? So how I can come back?
On 1.
1, 1. So this is 0 plus 1, 1. Suppose guys, if it is not there, now definitely this is 0 star, followed by 1, followed by 0 star, and followed by 0. Okay, say 0, 1 star, 0, 0 star, 1, and but here we cannot come back. We cannot come back. But what is the given diagram? This is the diagram. So you can come back. So whenever you can come back, this is 0 plus 1, 1 whole star. Okay, 0 plus 1, 1 whole star. So we are running the loop here only, 0 plus 1, 1. The machine will stop here. Where do you want to go? I want to go to this. So how can we go? 1, then 0. So answer for this is 1 plus 0, 1 star, 0, and here this is 0 plus 1, 1 whole star. After that, the machine stops here only. Then I want to go to this. How can I go? 1, then followed by 0 will go to the final. This is the answer. समझ गया? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
everybody.
Yes, sir.
Copy this. Try this one. Here I have changed the final state. Hello, can you all attend regularly? Means actually we are taking weekly 3 days only. Means can I take Monday to Saturday every day? Means weekly 6 days, so that I can complete the syllabus earlier. Complete syllabus early.
Yes, sir.
Does anyone has any problem to come regularly? If anybody objects, I don't go for every day. I will take only 3 days. If you are interested, I will come. Means I will take 6 days in a week. Is this 0 star? No, not at all, because if you leave, you can come back. So this is 0 plus x whole star. Okay, 0 plus x whole star. Where do you want to go? Final state. Is initial is final? No. Till earlier, till previous questions, it was the final state. So we stopped here only, 0 plus whole star. But in this question, this is the final state. So I repeat, if you leave the initial, we can come back. Okay. You run this any number of times, 0, 0, 0, 0, again x, 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 again 0, 0, again x, again 0, 0, again x, like this. After that, the machine stops here. The machine stops here. Now, where do you want to go to the final state? This. Then for that, how can I go? Go 1, 0 star 1. Okay. We want to go to this final state from here. 1, 0 star 1. Here, is this 0 star? No, because if you leave, you can come back. If you leave, you can come back. That is the reason it is 0 plus 1, 1 whole star. Okay, 0 plus 1, 1 whole star. Then it stops here. Then go to final 1. So I repeat. So this is the loop 0 plus x whole star. After that, 1, 0 star 1. Okay, I write that. 1, 0 star 1. Now we are here. At this stage, it is not 0 star. It is 0 plus something whole star. What is that something? 0 plus 1, 1. 1, 1 whole star. Okay. 0 plus 1, 1. You can run this. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Again 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. The machine stops here. And from here, we want to go to final. How can we go? By 1. So this is the answer. Part by 1. Okay. Now, what is x? You know very well x. What is x? This is the x. 1, 0 star 1, 0 plus 1, 1 whole star, part by 1, part by 0. Okay. So that whole I write now. 0 plus subject. 0 plus 1, 0 star 1, followed by, again, well, hello, look at this, guys. 1, 0 star 1. We want to go to this. While going to this one, again, you can run the loop, 0, inner loop. So before going to this state, you can run this loop, inner loop, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. See, look at this one. This is x, na? 0 plus x whole na? So what is this x? 1. We are writing 0 star. Here, this is the inner loop, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, then 1. Like that, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, again 0, 0, 1, 1. So the inner loop is 0 plus 1, 1 whole star. 0 plus 1, 1 whole star. 0 plus 1, 1 whole star. Then the machine stops here. Then how do we go? 1 by 1, then 0. So 1, 0. This is the loop at initial state. So you run this loop any number of times. Finally, you want to come to the final state. Finally, you want to come to this state. Okay, this state. How can we come to that 1, 0 star 1? This is 1, 0 star 1. Okay. Again, you can run this loop 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So that's what here. So this is 0 plus 1, 1 whole star part by 1. This is the answer. Okay. Copy this. समझ गए ना?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Try this one. Hello, you didn't clarify me about the regular classes. If anybody has any problem, please raise your voice. Okay, if you are interested, I will take the class from Monday to Saturday so that we can finish the syllabus early.
So the timing,
Say 3 days morning, 3 days in the evening. Suppose Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday morning, then Thursday, Friday, Saturday evening, like that.
so take it in the morning every day.
Miss?
Morning every day, not in the evening.
Oh, why? Generally, students like to have the class in the evening because you are the very means celebrities na. You will wake up at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock in the
So
morning.
sometimes we might have extra classes in the evening, so you might have to cancel your class because of that.
Till what time will we have the class?
So usually we have till 3:30 or 4, but sometimes our teachers stay extra as well. So,
Till what time?
so that depends on the teacher.
Maximum.
So I think 5 or 6 is maximum.
Then every day can we fix the timings at 7 to 9?
Sir, at 5 it's okay, but not 7 to 9.
Oh, night time problem, huh? Okay. So morning, okay, we do one thing. 3 days morning, 3 days evening, or every day morning. For me, anything is okay. So you
Sir,
just
every day.
every day morning. Others, Ankit, Bhushan, hello, answer. Rakshita, you are not saying anything. Bhushan,
Yeah, sir, trying.
anybody? What are you doing? Just say something. I will say whether it is wrong or not. Hello. If you say something, I will say wrong.
Yes, sir.
Answer boliye na. You say, I will say right or wrong. Okay. Guys, what is this? What is this? Huh? What?
B star.
Sure. If you leave the state, can you come back? If you leave the state, can you come back? Hello, I'm talking about initial.
No, sir. No,
Then
sir.
definitely it is B star only, na? Yes or no? It
Yes.
is B star only. B star. After that, from here to here, how can I go?
A.
Here this is final and this is also final. This machine will accept epsilon and only b's, like b square, b cube, all those things will be accepted. So it accepts only b's and also b's, any number of b's followed by a. So for that reason, we must write here it accepts only b's, that is b star including epsilon, or plus it can go to the next final state by taking the b's first. It may take b's, that is the reason b star, 0 or more b's. Then a. Yes, now it is in this final state. Now here, now look at this. From here A comes, it will go to that state. From here B comes, it will go to that state. But from this state, B, then A, final state. Again BA, again BA, 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 BA. So simply this is BA whole star. BA whole star. How simple. And this is dead state. So leave this one. That's it. B star plus B star followed by A followed by BA whole star. How simple. You understand?
So once more, repeat, please.
Actually, this is B star, boss. Okay? And it accepts epsilon and only B's because this is final state. Suppose this is not a final state, example this one, then we don't write this. Then only it is B star followed by A followed by BA whole star. But this is also final state, na? So it accepts epsilon and only B's. So B star is the answer. And it will go to this final state by A, and before A it can have only example. Take this string, is this valid and invalid? B cube A, yes, B cube. So in the initial state it is B cube, then A, yes. So for this reason I wrote B star, then A, then it is BA, 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 any number of BS, that is BA whole star. And this is dead state. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So that's it. We'll go for properties of regular languages. It is very important. First point. Regular languages are closed under union concatenation intersection subtraction division, okay, union, okay. Regular languages are closed under union, concatenation, intersection, subtraction, division. What are these properties? What is union? What is concatenation? What is intersection, subtraction, division? We will see tomorrow. Okay. Okay, guys. Any doubt?